Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I appreciate all you guys, and if you have not subscribed yet, do not forget to hit that subscribe button below. Also hit that like button, comment, share, do all the good things. It's free of charge and I really appreciate it. But back to business. Anyways, we're here for London vlogs. Yes, we went to London this past May and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It was a surprise graduation trip for Tyra and we surprised her back in December. With this trip, I will insert a flashback from when we surprised her for her graduation, which I also posted a video of already, and I'll insert up top here. You could click on the link up here. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go ahead and watch it as well. I appreciate you guys. We went to London in May. Thank you guys for watching the video, and we have a couple more videos coming to you guys of this trip, and I hope you guys enjoy them. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate all of you.
Yeah, move, open your feet.
Okay, just
Turn it, or I guess you could fix.
I have a lot of colors. I'm crayons. I'm not gonna break.
There you go.
Probably gonna break all of them.
Okay. So open that first. I can see you. Okay, sorry. Take your time opening it.
Take your time opening
Can you look at it?
Turn it around. We look real good.
Stop it.
it.
Stop. Stop, are you joking? No.
Small one for the phone. I'm getting a you. Then I'll just do. You getting Starbucks?
Yeah, see that?
Her first stop already. Starbucks.
You want anything?
Traffic directions.
The 6.5.
On the flight. We're on board. We're on board.
It's 8 hours.
We're on board. Seniority.
But this is my graduation.
Actually, I don't even know which seat is whose. Which seat is mine?
That one.
Oh. the morning because it was an overnight flight. So the food was meh, you know, airplane food. So yeah. Welcome to London, guys. We have arrived. You already know when you get to an airport, and if you've ever been to London, ever been to Heathrow, it's really hectic, it's really busy. So I didn't get any clips. This right here is us outside waiting for the Uber to come.
I wasn't even recording.
Now the Uber's here. We got
Who you
into the
texting
Uber
them
to
hours a
head
night?
towards my great aunt's place over in Brixton. And yeah, so we're in London. We're finally here, and I can't wait to
The later on.
explore. But that's about it for this clip. Do it.
220 piece to use the bathroom.
Pay to use the toilet. That's crazy. It's the same thing in Italy too. Cook at home.
Papa me. And grow up on food, innit? Yeah, food, innit?
Yep. It makes better. It makes more sense to just cook.
What of me?
You can roll them and get some juice with them. You want the lime or the lemon? The lemon? Okay. 1 pound.
That no good, that no good. Put them into the Mama, when they put them into the thing like that, sometimes they're quiet. They put the fresh one in.
The fish one at bottom.
Okay. And the other one, and that's it.
Even the turmeric. Look how fresh the turmeric is. Turmeric like I can just get it out of the garden. That's crazy.
Thank you very much. If you want to come and sarcastic, save it, man. J. James the bit. Yeah.